Greetings guys, hi and welcome to the video. As you may know or may not know, I recently crossed more than 25,000 subscribers, and hence I want to do a free workshop for anybody who's gonna approach me. I have a simple Google form through which you can submit your request, and I will be shortlisting 2 entries which I will try and deliver a free workshop on AWS DynamoDB with labs. So what to expect in these workshops? Again, I'll cover what is DynamoDB and why is it so trending. I'll cover data types, scaling options, partition key, global index, there is GSI, LSI, scans, strong consistency and eventual consistency, DynamoDB streams, and we have some amazing lab, right, where I'll cover the basics, right? And if the lab 1 will be creating DynamoDB table through serverless framework. Lab 2 and 3 are essentially practicing your concept on GSI, LSI. We have some nice data modeling exercise where we'll try to model LinkedIn. We'll also do a data archiving architecture on DynamoDB through DynamoDB streams. Here is the form that I encourage you guys to fill it out. And again, as I said, right, I will randomly select 2 entries. Let me switch my screen. Hopefully it should load up, and yeah, so I'll randomly select 2 entries from these Google forms, people who have submitted, and please, I'll come and I'll essentially deliver a talk. The only prerequisites are basically if you're submitting the request, there should be at least more than 8 members for the session. You or whoever is submitting the form, you guys will also be conducting, you'll be sending the invites for Zoom or Teams or Google, whatever that is, right? So make sure you guys are gonna set that up, and each participant that is coming to the workshop must have an AWS account so they can actually try these labs out. So yeah, feel free to submit your request through a form, and I will essentially try to shortlist and deliver a free 2-hour workshop at no cost at all. So that is pretty much it, and this is me just celebrating my success on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions, list your question in the comment section. I will close the forms by October 22nd, so roughly there are more than 15 days so people can submit. And if you are on a different time zone, maybe if you're not in America or if you're on a different time zone, we will try, if you are shortlisted, we'll try to adjust the time zone based on everybody's convenience. Because if you're contacting me from India, it's usually midnight, so I might have to wake up early morning, 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, based on your hours, right? So we'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm looking forward for your request, and feel free to invite me and I'll deliver amazing workshop and labs on DynamoDB. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.